It is not a secret that a vehicle set, a body, an engine, a transmission, a trim, etc., is about 10–15% of a car price at the production stage. To assemble, paint and run it in, it is another 5–10%. That is indeed the production of a car takes only 20% of its total price. Research and development also costs about 20%. For example, today, a brand new car from a sketch to a mass production product takes $1 billion. If it's an SUV, $2 billion. It is a lot of money and enormous work of many specialists indeed. Then there are engineering projects and pre-production prototypes, wind tunnel testing, speed tests, etc. Because the automotive industry is extremely competitive and, if you are technologically backward, you will lose your customer. If the body and the interior are not attractive, then nobody will buy such a car. As you know, beauty is power. Therefore, there is a whole industry worth billions of dollars. The names of internationally recognized design companies like Pininfarina, Zagato, Ital Design, Bertone are sweet music not only for the car enthusiast's ears, but for any person of today. The transport of the future provides new design opportunities as well as it sets new extraordinary tasks. Today, this is happening to passenger drones, personal rapid transit, vacuum tube trains, and skyway stream transport, where the space arrangement approach is a determining factor. Of course, the basic criteria for creating the skyway design are the same as those for the creators of conventional vehicles: ease of use, maintainability, and appearance. It should tell a customer about the philosophy and the mission of its technology, such as, for example, sustainability, which means minimizing energy consumption and transport pollution. Moreover, it is important to emphasize the friendliness and maximum safety of the transportation service offered. These requirements establish the rolling stock development process. The development thrust is the maximum approximation to the natural shape. Skyway vehicles tend to even surpass the perfect drop shape in their outlines. From an idea or a sketch to an operating model, the designers go through the path of search and study at all stages. Then all the excess is removed, the roughness is smoothed out, and the sharpness is achieved. This makes the car close to aesthetic and physical perfection, as evidenced by high aerodynamic performance, 16 times better than that of one of the most expensive cars in the world, Bugatti Veyron. Further, to create and launch a product to the market as quickly as possible, they use early validation tools by making mock-ups to avoid resource losses during subsequent refinement. Finishing materials are carefully selected to ensure passenger safety and maximize the attractiveness of the transportation service. The ambition is to make Skyway the most efficient and environmentally friendly transport ever. Such a goal sets high standards for the design, as according to the apt words of the aircraft designer Tupolev, only beautiful planes fly well.